Another day, headed to the gym, trying to see where we go from there. And just like that, another day. What do you guys think of that new Drake album? You guys like it? It's pretty cool. I vibe with it. Most likely gonna play it all the time since low-key getting tired of like Tory Lanez and all that. And oh shit, I need gas. Also, one of my good friends gave me a GoPro. I'm gonna use this for whenever I do races or, you know, some good stuff. The only thing he didn't give me was a charger, but you could buy that anywhere. I don't care. So yeah, now headed to the gym. See what's up, see where we go from there. Yep. So I dropped it while taking a shit and like it stopped right here. Sad day. Oh well. I have to go finish back. Cardio in like 2 years. We'll see what's up. Update, 3 minutes in and I'm already dying. Damn. I put 10 minutes. Man. Stop at 5. Yeah, I'm done. I'm tired. Check out the vinyl that I got from Broken Dreams, or Broken Realms, sorry. Yeah, so those tints were a good deal. I paid how much was it? It was 50 bucks in total, and it came with 2. I think the other pack was for the front headlights, but I don't want to do the headlights. I feel like the cops would really trip out on that. Yeah, I also bought this air freshener. Sorry, I didn't give you guys more detail on everything, but yeah, I got this from the same page. And these guys right here with the starlights, you guys can't see them much, but excuse that. But yeah, I'm starting to love them more and more. Every day makes my day. If you guys want their Instagram, I'll put the description in my, or I'll put their link in my description. Sorry. Still having a hard time trying to get used to YouTubing. I'll put them and I'll let you guys know. Also, another cool thing I got from Instagram is this. From Enginetics. You see their name right there on Instagram. Pretty cool. Turns on every time you turn on the vehicle. Show the cat with the turbo. They also have other ones with the turbo gauge, air to fuel ratio, and they also have an updated cat turbo. I guess from when you take off and all that, it'll show that that the boost goes high or too low. The only problem I'm gonna have is I don't know where to put this shit. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, I'm gonna put a custom box. I'm all cutting it and shit. Now I gotta paint it, see where I go from there. But yeah, you got that right. Another car wash. Dirty ass shit. Man, my car gets dirty what, every 2 days? Living in the desert, man. It's just, you know, no joke. I'm starting to get excited for Halloween and Christmas. I'm just trying to see how to, I might buy one of those racks to put on my car and then put Christmas lights. And for Halloween, I'll probably just, I don't know, decorate it a different way. See how it is, because, you know, I'm new to all this shit. But yeah, also the 350Z, I still haven't ordered anything because due to the fact that I just paid rent. But I'll get there. Just giving you guys a heads up. Hopefully you guys like my content. If not, tell me what I'm doing wrong and then I'll go from there. So my post-workout meal will be a 4x4. Yeah. The only thing I hate is the fucking lines, bro. Like, come on now. The lines always take forever. If I had to choose, I would choose a Chipotle, but my lady doesn't like Chipotle, so I gotta go with this. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna get the fries and everything in a Diet Coke. You know, Diet Coke to balance my diet, you know, keep my abs going and shit, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'll show you guys when I get it. So I'm on my way to a car show. If you guys are here, I'll see you guys there. But you guys can't say hi because you guys don't know me. Before that, I gotta go pick up 2 of my friends though, because one of them doesn't have a car to show off, or the other one doesn't have a vehicle that he could drive yet. No big deal. I'm just in a little hurry, running late, but I'll get there. So talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, came to pick up the first guy. Biffy hurries up. Come on, guy. Come on, guy. Come on, guy. Alright, we'll wait.
Are you gonna that's my fault. Prelude? Yeah, the prelude.
Straight from Japan.
I'll fucking go live and
Really?
I'll flip that shit with my dick.
This one right here, damn. Oh, cute game. Look at the dots on them.
That's what's like next one, you know? What is that?
You're not done. Is there food? Sauce.
Look at the underglow, look. This one.
Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh, that's tight.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, look at that thing on back. The totem. Of course, I have to tell some big ass dope.
Damn.
Hey, Joe, this is S13, S14, or 15.
Look at that, it's 13, bro.
That shit's bad, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Got the fucking green, that's nice. Oh, there's a lightning right there. You guys made these?
Yeah.
This is my dream truck right here. Heck yeah, for days.
This one I'll run everybody.
Damn. You guys got your money on me or what?
I got 100K on that.
Damn. Yeah, hell yeah. My dirty ass camera. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Can't move, man. Got it, man. Well, that one's scary.
I love Chevy.
Where you see a Chevy?
That's lit. Look at the Hondas. That white and black one.
This is a, what is this? The Genesis?
It's a Prelude.
What the fuck? Where'd you get that from? This is clean right here. This is tight. I like this. The wheels, look at the wheels.
That shit looks sick.
Shout out to you, man. Gotta bring out the classic. The roll cage. Gee.
All the kids can carry on my weapons.
You're right. Just cancel the whole vid.
Straight rally wings.
When he added me, when we became friends on I was looking like if she had to do Subaru, then you thought it was like EDP. Oh, that's sick. Had this coupe like this too?
Yeah.
You're gonna add this fucking like an anime type shit like cars. I said, oh, red sun. Gonna take that thing.
Just like that, party's over. What's up, Lieutenant Dan? I like this one, bro. That's the sticker I like. And me too. Dope. Well, it probably is, but damn, man. What you mean? Oh, that Supra needs to take off, bro, before he gets state rep.
Trying to get the fuck out of there.
Yeah, he has to. They're not gonna catch him on the freeway. Cool, cool.
Look, it's good.
Where all the fools are just left on that side.
Oh.
Richard Bongas.
That's badass, not gonna lie. So the meet's over. Cops are over here raiding it. Well, now that I'm done with the car show, I'm about to drop off one of my last friends, and then he's gonna show me his Tomy right now in his Subaru. See how that sounds. Yep, so there's that. It was a pretty good meet. Not too many people. There was nice cars. I will start going to more, show you guys more. The Cube will be modded, guaranteed. Oh, there it is. Hold up.
It starts all fucking loud and then it gets like, it starts to mellow out.
It's slow though. Hey, to be honest, bro, I could take you.
Nah.
Slow ass shit. Just like that. Out of fuel. Got a neat sticker thanks to my boy.
Starbucks Triple Shot Energy. We'll give you energy. Starbucks Triple Shot Energy.
Can't wait.
Grab one inside now.
Aiming for 500.